And Brianna just touched on it, those hours-long line for free COVID-19 tests here in the Valley. Well, another big takeaway from the governor's presser today was millions more dollars to increase testing and speed up results. Our Whitney Clark explains.
One of the big questions we had going into today is, when are places like Maryvale going to get additional testing sites? Advocates say it is an underserved community. It was specifically mentioned by Governor Ducey today in his press conference as he introduced us to Project Catapult.
Our focus is going to be Maryvale and South Phoenix with 12 days of surge testing.
Up to 5,000 free coronavirus tests a day. It's all part of the state's new partnership with SonoraQuest. The goal is to also process tests faster so people will know if they're sick in real time and can help stop the spread. The governor says through private partnerships, they want to process 35,000 tests a day by the end of July and up to 60,000 by the end of August.
Today, demand is through the roof. And I know that people not only that are sick or symptomatic or have been exposed, that everyone wants to get a test. And we want you to be able to get a test.
That demand has been hard to miss in places like Maryvale, when Equality Health hosted a drive-through clinic last month. State Senator Martin Quezada, who represents the area, says it took some people 13 hours to get tested. While he's glad his community is getting more resources, it's something they've been asking for, and he thinks it should have happened weeks ago.
The fact that we are testing positive in greater numbers, the fact that we are in greater need for free testing is really a reflection of the inequalities that have already existed here for far too long.
Maryvale is one of the hardest hit zip codes in Arizona. Quezada grew up here and says the people here lack access to health care, among other things, which contributes to the high rate of infection.
We are a working class community and we are the frontline workers. We are the ones that are delivering packages to your door. We are working the cash registers. We are out working at the restaurants. We are the ones that are coming the most in contact with people who may expose us to COVID-19.
Meantime, Governor Ducey says that surge testing will start as soon as next week. Another really big thing we want to mention here is that the health department is partnering with ASU to give people those free saliva-based COVID-19 tests. They start as early as this weekend in the West Valley. You do have to sign up ahead of time. The goal is to test around 100,000 Arizonans. In Phoenix, for Arizona's Family, I'm Whitney Clark.